Julie's Diary. It's May 8th, 2025, and we are commemorating the 80th anniversary of VE Day. As an enthusiast of military aircraft, I eagerly witness a special flyover honoring this momentous event by highlighting these remarkable machines. The aircraft create a breathtaking representation of the British flag in the sky. Now, we can see the flypast reaching its grand finale with a performance by the Royal Air Force aerobatic team, the Red Arrows, who color the sky with their iconic red, white, and blue smoke trails. Congratulations to the aircraft team for their amazing show. On my way home, I noticed that Buckingham Palace was illuminated in the three colours of the British flag to commemorate the 80th anniversary of VE Day. Buckingham Palace was brilliantly lit up in the three colours of the British flag. You can observe the colours transitioning beautifully. I stay to capture this moment on film to share with you. While strolling along King's Road in Chelsea, I found myself drawn to the charming ambience of the bustling street. As I continued my leisurely walk, I decided it was the perfect moment to indulge in a little treat. I spotted a cozy cafe named Paul, nestled invitingly among the shops. The inviting aroma of freshly brewed coffee wafted through the air, and I couldn't resist the temptation to step inside. Once there, I ordered a steaming cup of their finest coffee, complemented by a delectable Fraise cake, which promised to be the perfect sweet accompaniment. As I relaxed and savored each delightful bite, I couldn't help but appreciate the simple pleasures of the day. The Chelsea Flower Show is held on the grounds of the Royal Hospital Chelsea in London. This prestigious event, organised by the Royal Horticultural Society, is one of the most famous flower shows in the world, showcasing innovative garden designs, exquisite floral displays, and the latest horticultural trends. The Royal Hospital Chelsea provides a historic and picturesque setting for the event, which attracts gardening enthusiasts, designers, and visitors from around the globe. The show not only highlights the beauty and diversity of plants, but also emphasizes the importance of sustainability and environmental responsibility in gardening practices. During the Chelsea Flower Show, the streets and shop windows of Chelsea are adorned with stunning floral displays, and vibrant street exhibitions can be found on every corner. In May, a fashion show takes place, highlighting hats and fascinators perfect for the forthcoming social events. I plan to attend and perhaps discover something that suits my style. The British social season refers to the annual spring and summer period featuring iconic British events. For the Royal Enclosure dress code, ladies should wear a dress or skirt that is at least knee-length. Hats are mandatory, but a headpiece or hatinator with a base of at least 4 inches is also acceptable. On my way home, I came across the weekly Chelsea fresh food market that my flatmate told me about a few days ago. Look at those fresh oysters at great prices. Everything looks tempting: delicious cheeses, sweet Kent cherries, various honeys, and the British speciality, fudge. Thanks for watching and see you soon.